I have officially completed another area in my home, and I am so excited to share how my homeschool area turned out. Hey there, my name is Yami. I am your Latina next door. Welcome back to Mi Casa, where I share high-end home decor and DIYs on a budget, as well as extreme before and after room transformations. If that's something you'd enjoy, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe so that you too can become part of the familia. Before we start, I'd like to mention that today's video is sponsored by Boutique Rugs. They helped pull this room together, and I will share more about them in just a few minutes. If you've been following along, you know that this year we began our homeschooling journey. It wasn't something that we had planned for, however, when the option became available, we decided to take it on. And ever since, I wanted to create a beautiful and dedicated space for my kids so that they can enjoy a nice little environment when learning at home. Now, when we purchased this home, one of the things that we liked about it was this landing that you kind of come up to as soon as you go up the stairs to the second floor. From the beginning, I envisioned it a place to have for the kids so that they can study. From the beginning, I had my desk there and I would do my voiceovers and my editing for my videos, but a lot of times it just accumulated a lot of excess stuff. So I thought this would be the perfect area to create a little homeschool nook. When I started planning for the space, I knew I wanted to spend as little as possible and try to use pieces that I already had on hand, items that I had made over previously, and even some Facebook Marketplace finds. I started putting together things, and this is what I came up with. So as you can see, the area is right as you go upstairs, and it's nice and open, so it doesn't feel like we're closed in. When we moved in, we changed out the carpet immediately, but that's all we had really done to the space. The walls were still painted a yellow beige color, and all I had was some random pieces of furniture that I would use upstairs, along with my desk and the table that I used to craft before I moved down into my studio. So the first thing I wanted to do was paint it. I decided to use the color Shiplap by Magnolia, which is the same color I have throughout the first floor, as well as my living room where we just redid the fireplace. It's a beautiful light color, and I thought it would be perfect to lighten up the space. I also wanted to bring the color up the wall further, like we did in our master bedroom, to extend the walls up. Next, we needed to add trim to the windows because this window still hadn't received trim yet. And just by doing that, the space looked so much brighter and bigger. Now, because we replaced the interior doors last year, all this room needed was that trim around the window and some fresh paint, which was really nice because it was not as time consuming as most of our previous room makeovers. We did add blinds to this window because in the evening the sun comes directly through and it heats up the space quite a bit. And then it was all about putting this space together. Now, before I brought anything into the space, the first thing I did was lay down an area rug to anchor the space. My area rug is from Boutique Rugs. They're an online retail store that specializes in all kinds of carpets, and right now they're having their Black Friday sale with code BF65, and that gets you 65% off any of these amazing rugs, along with free shipping throughout the contiguous United States. They carry a variety of sizes to suit anyone's home, as well as different styles, like traditional, bohemian, and even farmhouse. They offer high quality rugs at competitive pricing. I have purchased several rugs from them before, and I have always been pleased with how they function in my home. Boutique Rugs also carries a variety of home accents for your home. This includes lamps, lighting, cushions, even art pieces for your walls. I have a coupon code YAMI60 that will get you 60% off any purchase on their website. Now, if you do buy during their Black Friday sale, you will get an additional 5% off using their Black Friday code. So that's an even bigger savings if you shop that sale right now. The rug that I'm putting in my room is the Pittsview area rug, and I selected it in the burnt orange color. Now, to give you an idea of how amazing this rug is priced, the retail value of this is $85 all the way up to $524 depending on the size and shape that you order. But with the discount, you can get it between $29 and $183, again depending on your size. So that is a huge savings. I will have all this information in my description box along with links for you all to check out their website if you are looking for a new rug this season. Now, decorating was a lot of fun because, again, a lot of this stuff I already had. The white table was my original craft room table. I used to film a lot of DIYs on that table, but it's better serving my kids right now. Next, I had these bookshelves that I had painted. I have had these shelves for quite some time, and I just did a huge declutter. These were a Facebook Marketplace find several months ago, and I only paid $10 for each one. Now, the tutorial on how I painted these is located on my blog, and I will put a link in my description box below if you guys want to check that out as well. This map was a trash to treasure project that I did a few months ago, and this mirror actually was in my foyer at my last house. This little guy is probably as old as me. It's belonged to my parents, and I don't even know how I ended up with it, but it's in my room now. Those chairs were another Facebook Marketplace find at $20 each. I got 4. This bench was also in my foyer in my last house, and I thought it would be a perfect place to have like a little reading nook. And of course, I had to add a little bit of Christmas cheer throughout. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which area of the little homeschool space you like the most. The kids really enjoy this space and they're really excited that I was able to add a little bit of Christmas touches here and there so that they can enjoy it while they're learning during the day. I like how everything has a nice cozy feel. It feels like there's a little bit of structure to this space, but at the same time it's nice and relaxed. The shelves that I painted give the perfect amount of storage. My old little cabinet provides me a place to put all of their work at the end of the day. We have different areas to sit, and overall it's just a nice space to be in when we are doing our activities. I would like to thank Boutique Rugs for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out their Black Friday sale going on right now. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you next week with another home decor and DIY video. Until then, adios!